Hello, my name is Dr. Jay Smart, and I'm an associate professor in the brain cognitive developmental area of the Department of Psychology at Miami University. And I'd like to take a quick moment to thank you for dropping in and learning a little bit more about me and what I do here in the department. A little bit about myself. I'm a Connecticut native, born and raised. I went to Trinity College in Connecticut as a psych major, always been a psych major, and I kind of have an interesting kind of research profile as a pirate, scientist, martial artist, all things linked to kind of the work I do in my lab. And I'd like to sort of talk about this a little bit just because it gives sort of an idea about the research path, which I basically found after taking a perception class in undergrad, then getting this really weird job on a museum ship for a summer and not getting sick, which led me to wondering about the relationship between perception and action, which my undergrad advisor told me about that people were studying. So I followed that path first to Louisiana, where I received my master's at the University of Louisiana at Monroe, and then finished up at University of Cincinnati, where I got my PhD in human factors experimental psychology. And directly after there, I came to Miami. I've been here ever since, and always been part of the brain cognitive development area, representing some of the more applied interest in the group. And I am also the chief departmental advisor, which means I'm the general advisor for the undergraduate program. Other things, I am a father of two sons, 15 and 21. My 21-year-old is also a psych major, so you may see him roaming the halls as well. And to give you a little bit more about what we do in our lab is basically focused around the intersection between perception and action. That is, how do we use perceptual information to guide behavior, and how does that behavior influence the perception that information that we pick up? So it's a pretty wide umbrella, and it allows us to do a number of things. And in particular, we're looking at these kind of relationships. That how do these perceptual information linkages get detected or used, and how do those in turn determine what kind of actions we generate? So we do a lot of motion capture in our work, and we also work a lot in virtual environments because it provides a way to kind of explore novel relationships and see how people learn or don't learn in the case of getting motion sick as we go through. So we have a pretty active lab. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about that, you can check out the website listed down there on the right. We have always have a number of undergrads working in our lab. We're fairly research, and our projects are really diverse, but all entail looking at different things that can affect the relationship between perceiving and acting. So just want to give you this quick video to let you know a little about us, and look forward to talking with you in the future. Take care, everyone.